Carefully stick the screwdriver underneath the clip. Pry it a little bit, and then pull the connector. There it is. Just be very careful not to break these. Be very careful. What I do, stick the screwdriver carefully, like this, underneath the clip. Pry it up a little bit, and grab the clip and pull it out, just like I did just now. You know, I'm going to stress again, be very, very careful doing this. Don't break these. Don't break stuff in your car. It's not good. Take your time and do it right. Wobble socket. Because you have to clear this. You have to make it so difficult for you. The engine is pushed back so far. It's a 10 millimeter. I'm going to do one at a time because I'm sitting under a tree here and I want stuff falling into the cylinders when I take the spark plugs out. This one, of course. You have to go in here with a swivel socket. The last one. Look at that angle. Oh, it's ridiculous. It's further proof that engineers hate mechanics. It's the first one. No oil. It's a good sign. Looks good. Looks normal. Looks clean. These are at the dealership. $15 or so each. The number is 909190125. SC16HR11 Iridium. It's 9/16 or 14 millimeter magnetic socket. Here we go. She just came right out. Here it comes. Probably have to change the valve cover gasket seals. Quick comparison. Okay, after this quarter turn. That's about it. It's good. Cylinder 1 is done. Swivel socket, or swivel extension. So you get in those tight spaces. Of course, they have to put this connector right next to this thing. Good job. This is just hand tight. You're just holding this in place. Don't torque this down. That's it. Besides, it's plastic. Plastic stuff is fragile. It comes out eventually. Just turn it and pull it out. It's clean too. Makes life easier. Hold it in place. Doing this, take your time. Don't break stuff. Take your time. Do it right. This is an easy job. Don't make it complicated. She comes out carefully. More oil. Those damn valve cover gasket seals, probably. I believe. Use Denso or NGK iridiums. Make sure it's threading in. It is, it's threading. Once it seats, give it a quarter of a turn. That's what I do, because I don't have a torque wrench on me. That's about right. The torque spec for this is like somewhere between 15 and 21 foot-pounds. So just be mindful of that. Again, just hand tight, that's it. Turn it counterclockwise, it'll come out. At least in my case. Your situation may vary, but this is good. 14 millimeter, 9/16 going in. Magnetic. It's seated on there. Don't be doing this, just hold it with your hand. Make sure you get nice straight, good grip. Turn, hold it in place. That's the third one. Everyone's always in a rush these days. Big rush, and you make mistakes. You know, you have to slow down to speed up sometimes. Always remember that. I heard that from a mechanic on YouTube. Eric O. and South Main Auto. You have to slow down to speed up sometimes. It's true. Okay. Put your ratchet back on. Make sure you turn in the right way. Quarter turn. That's on it. You're in a big hurry, end up breaking stuff, then you're slow it, hurry up and wait. You gotta take your car somewhere and get it fixed. Simple little spark plug job became a whole thing. A federal case. For this last one, you're gonna need a wobble socket, because this is in the way. Great design. Everything in this car is in the way, always. So it's compact. Yeah, it's small, it's compact, but it's a pain in the butt to work on sometimes. Another quarter turn to the right, it comes out. Last but not least, here we go, number 4. Of course, the connectors are getting in the way now. Make sure it's stable. Give it a turn. Is that echo? Wow. slowly take it out. There's a fourth one. This magnetic socket is great. Keep it stable with your finger and turn. And pull up at the same time. Make sure it's threading in properly. You do not want to cross thread these. Then you're gonna be in big trouble. These are aluminum heads, so take your time and do it right. Quarter turn, just about. That's it right there. The fact that no spark plug came out with the socket is a good thing. If you loosen it, if it doesn't come out, then that's another story. So all spark plugs now have been changed. I'll put this car back together and start it. Just hand tight. That's it. Just make sure they're all hand tight.